Our story for today is The Bird's Nest. Basic English. A young man notices a bird building a nest. From the ground he can see a lot of shiny objects in the nest. The young man thinks that some of the objects must be valuable. Perhaps the bird sees valuable things when he flies around. He waits for the bird to fly away and climbs up the tree to get the nest. It is hard to reach it, and more than once he almost falls. But he soon gets the nest and takes it home with him. He takes the nest to his father and asks him to identify the valuables inside. But the father throws the nest away. He tells his son there is nothing valuable in the nest, only lots of shiny junk. Some shiny things may be worth a bird's time but not a human's. Intermediate English. A young man noticed a bird building a nest one day. Even from the ground the young man could tell the bird had collected a number of shiny objects to place in his nest. He thinks to himself that some of these things must surely be valuable. Perhaps the bird spotted some gold or silver when he was flying around. So, he waited for the bird to fly off and climbed up the tree to get the nest. It was dangerous and difficult to reach the nest, and more than once he nearly lost his grip. But eventually he made it to the top, grabbed the nest, and brought it home with him. He took the nest to his father thinking the old man could identify the valuables inside. But the father tossed the nest aside angrily. He told his son there were no valuable inside, only a lot of shiny pieces of junk. Some shiny things, he explained, are worth a bird's time but not a human's. Advanced English. One day, a young man noticed a bird constructing a nest in a pine tree. Construct, verb, to build something. Example, we can construct a plan. Together. The participial form of the verb is constructing. Example from the story The Bird's Nest. One day, a young man noticed a bird constructing a nest in a pine tree. Even from the ground he could tell that the bird must have collected quite a number of shiny objects to place in his nest. Surely some of these must be valuable, the young man said to himself. This bird might have spotted some gold or silver while he was up there flying around in the sky. So, he waited patiently for the bird to fly off and then climbed up the tree to retrieve the nest. Retrieve, verb, to get something or bring something back. Example from the story The Bird's Nest. So, he waited patiently for the bird to fly off and then climbed up the tree to retrieve the nest. It was a dangerous and difficult effort to reach the nest, and more than once the young man nearly lost his grip, which would have meant a painful end to his efforts. But eventually he reached the nest, snagged it, and brought it home. He brought the nest to his father, hoping the old man would identify the valuables it contained. Instead, the father tossed the nest aside in disgust. Toss, something, aside, phrasal verb, to throw away or get rid of. Something. Often, a thing tossed aside will appear between the words toss and aside. Example, toss that garbage aside and come help me. The past tense is tossed aside. Example from the story The Bird's Nest. But the father tossed the nest aside angrily. It's nothing but a bunch of foil and wrappers, he explained. Listen, son, any shiny thing might be worth a bird's time but it's not necessarily worth ours. Moral. All that glitters is not gold.
Trust me, all that glitters isn't necessarily gold.
All that glitters is not delicious Duff Gold!
All that glitters is not all that jazz.
Before proceeding further, let me share something truly exciting with you all. I'm thrilled to introduce you to our live English practice sessions. Join us every Monday to Friday for a dynamic 2-hour session filled with fun, laughter, and plenty of learning. So, why should you join us, you ask? Well, imagine being able to express yourself with ease, charm, and confidence in any situation. Yep, that's the kind of fluency we're here to help you achieve. Our sessions are designed to make learning feel like a breeze, with interactive activities, engaging discussions, and a supportive community cheering you on. And here's the kicker, mastering English opens up a world of possibilities. Picture yourself acing that job interview, wowing your colleagues with your presentation skills, or effortlessly making new friends from all corners of the globe. With English in your toolkit, the sky's the limit. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to level up your language skills and join us in our live English practice sessions. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your skills, there's a spot for you in our vibrant community. Get ready to speak English like a pro. Join our live English practice sessions on WhatsApp. How to join? Simply reach out to us on WhatsApp at 897-974-9087 to sign up for our sessions. Our friendly team will guide you through the registration process and provide you with all the details you need to get started. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity to enhance your English skills. Contact us on WhatsApp today and take the first step towards becoming a confident English speaker.
Thank you very much for being with me on this lesson. If you liked the video, then please do press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss our new videos. Continue learning English with me on Superior English. I will see you soon with another lesson. Till then, keep learning English. Bye.